Hi, I'm Tamara, and in this video, I'll walk you through how I set up and manage team workflows in Asana. This is to streamline project management and boost collaboration. This project showcases my ability to create efficient workflows, automate processes, and enhance team coordination. Beyond just setting up systems, I'm passionate about actively managing projects and teams, ensuring smooth operations, clear communication, and strategic execution. This project was designed to simplify and improve the client onboarding process using Asana. Many teams struggle with disorganized task management, unclear responsibilities, and missed deadlines. So I built a structured system that ensures efficiency and accountability. Additionally, my role extends to coordinating the team, managing project timelines, and ensuring that every stakeholder is aligned with business goals. The key goals of this setup was to streamline workflows for consistency and efficiency, automate repetitive tasks to save time. It was also to improve team collaboration with clear task assignments, ensure accountability through real-time status tracking, and then to, of course, to facilitate the team coordination. And this was through structured communication and task alignment. I structured the workflow into 6 key stages, and each was designed to guide a client through onboarding seamlessly. So the first step was to give initial contact and get information from the client. So this was to capture the client details and expectations. Then there was a contract and an agreement, and this made sure that all of the necessary approvals were documented. The third step was onboarding, and this was to automate the setup of project resources. There was training and support, and this was to give learning materials and guidance throughout the project. The fifth step involved reviewing and feedbacking because we always want to improve throughout um, throughout the project, throughout anything that we do within a company. And then finally it was the project closure. And this was to make sure that all the tasks that we said we would complete were completed before closing out the project. So each step was managed through task dependencies, automated reminders, and then a centralized communication within Asana. So this made sure that the team was well coordinated, the deadlines were met, and then tasks were effectively assigned and completed. So I also implemented a few features and automations in this project. These included task dependencies and automations, a Google Drive integration. So this is where key documents were going to be stored and then they were accessible in Asana. We had team notifications, and this is where automatic reminders kept everyone informed. We had status tracking, and this is where we had clear labels that showed progress at every stage of the project. And then we had team coordination, and this made sure that we had defined roles and responsibilities, and this made sure that everybody knew what they had to do. So then this setup ensured that no tasks fell through the cracks. The teams worked collaboratively without confusion. And then we had a structured, predictable experience. And then managers were able to really see where we were progressing throughout the project, and then we were able to address roadblocks. So the Asana workflow that you see today was just one example of how I can help businesses organize their teams, automate operations, and then make sure that everyone's performing well. I don't just do workflows, I also help teams manage and coordinate their projects effectively. So let's make sure that everyone's aligned, productive, and on track. So if you're interested in seeing other similar systems that I set up before, then let's connect.